Hello friends and partners, my name is Artyom Spaskin. I am Executive Director of UASTAL Individual factory. Come with me, I'll show you around. We are a metalworking company that manufactures products in any complexity. We have modern equipment, an experienced team, and over 25 years of combined experience in the business. The prime feature of our enterprise is modern laser technologies and high precision metal processing. We have a large fleet of laser equipment, the most powerful of which is 20 kilowatts. And now I will show you the combined turning and milling workshop. This is the laser welding workshop. Here we produce complex structures with higher precision and higher quality requirements. We have dozens of workstations that deliver our products daily and always on time. Our equipment fleet is constantly being updated. And this water-jet cutting workshop. We have 3 powerful machines available. Our advantages in the hydroabrasive are a cutting at an angle of 45 degrees and a cutting length of up to 150 millimeters. All-in-one powder cutting unit. An artistic forging workshop, combining tradition and modern technology. We are entering a new level. We are completing the new construction of a new galvanized line. Thanks to this technology, we will be able to provide reliable anti-corrosion protection for parts in keeping with all international standards. So, you have our own production facility, but are you short in capacity? Then reach out to us.